What's up guys? Sorry, this video is probably going to be a short one today just because I don't have that many thoughts and opinions yet. This was more of an unboxing, but there's not that much going on. I hope everyone's having a great day, evening, morning, whenever you guys are watching this. So that was the iPhone 12. That was pretty much my unboxing. I know it was short, but the only other things you get are the Apple sticker, SIM card removal, and this beautiful cord that's probably not going to be used. And there's not much going on besides the box. It's pretty simple. I did get out the 11 Pro Max box, and you can see right there the size difference between this one and then the 12 Pro. So that's pretty neat. And here is the phone itself. I got it in a case. It's actually about to die right now because I've been using it. But you can kind of see that Pacific blue, and I really like the look of that. And I love the squared off edge because I never owned any of the iPhones prior that would have had it. And so it's pretty cool. It does feel a bit heftier and it feels a little bit bigger, but I don't mind. I actually really like this. Can't wait to try out the new camera features like the stabilization, I think low light photography, and I'd like to check out the Dolby Vision just to see how that looks. But other than that, I don't have much to say because I've only been using it for a little while. Stay tuned, there will probably be a vlog in the coming weeks, or probably next week. Just a quick little thing about the camera and how I'm liking it so far. But I need to go out and actually use it to develop some actual opinions. If you guys enjoyed the video, hit the thumbs up, please subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.